Hey there, adventure seekers! Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor survival skills and photography projects. Get ready to learn some practical skills, appreciate nature, and unleash your creative side. First up, let's talk about outdoor survival skills. Whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman or just starting out, there's always something new to learn. Practice building shelters, identifying edible plants, or starting a fire safely. Of course, discuss survival scenarios and what to do in different situations. Now, let's switch gears to photography. Give your little ones a camera or a smartphone and take them on a photo walk. Let them capture things that interest them, and then create a photo album or collage. This is a great way to teach observation and artistic skills. Remember, nature is a beautiful and fascinating place, and there's so much to explore and appreciate. So, grab your gear, and let's get started. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy exploring!